Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create OCI for minor. First we need to open our web browser and write down here BLS India. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want you can open directly through that link, BLS India Canada. Now I open that link. Here you can see Welcome to India Visa Application Center Canada. Here you can see Toronto, Ottawa, Vancouver, and I click on Vancouver because it's near to me. Proceed. Here you can see OCI journal information. If you want you can read all the information related to OCI. Here is how to apply checklist. First we check our checklist, which documents we have need for apply our OCI. Click here. Checklist for submission of OCI application. Please confirm each with tick mark. First we need a checklist. We attach this checklist with our documents, online application form, standard certificate of parents, and Indian passport of parents, and here we need a birth certificate of kids and kids Canadian passport, marriage certificate of parents, proof of address, and consent of both parents in case applicant is minor. We need this one. Legal status of parents in Canada. We need this one for a minor. Fee photo, and you can check this one. This is also need for our application, and this one is not for us, and this one is not for us. Here you can see detail to be filled by applicant, name of applicant, CANB number. When you fill out online application, you will see CANB number, and make sure save it because you will need to track the application and later on. BLS center location like Edmonton, Calgary, which one is near to you, and date. Here we need to signature of applicant. I already provide that link in my description box. You can take a printout, and name of minor applicant, date of birth, passport number, name, father, mother, present address, and visa OCI application number. You can see this one when you will fill your application online. Father signature and mother signature, name, current passport number, father and mother, date. You need to submit this form with your OCI application. Now we click on how to apply. Here you can see first link. Click here. Registration. Welcome to OCI. OCI eligibility. OCI registration. Click here to proceed. Here you can see user register. If you have a user login ID, then you can click here and enter email ID and password. But we will register first. Here I show you how to register. Please enter an active email ID because we receive one OTP. And here nationality, you enter here Canada, your present nationality. Enter surname, given name, email ID, date of birth, and mobile number. Here we need to enter this number, and after that register. Create password, one time password OTP. You need to check this one in your active email ID and enter new password, confirm and submit. Password reset successfully. Enter your email ID, password and login. Here you can see dashboard, online registration. Click here. New OCI registration for minor application. Click here, minor applicant. OCI registration for minor applicant. If you want you can read this document requirement and apply online. Applicant applying for OCI card, please read. I have read the instructions. Click here and proceed to OCI registration. Here you can see registration form part 1. Are you applying for yourself or other family member? I click here other family member because I apply for my son. Place of submission. You can select from this drop down. Mission Vancouver. I select here because it's near to me. Applicant detail, surname, given name. Have you ever changed your name? If yes, click the box and give detail. We never change. If you change, then you can click and fill information here. Gender, select from drop down menu. Date of birth, country of birth, select from this drop down. Place of birth, you write down here manually. Current nationality, Canada. National identification number, this is not mandatory, you can leave this. Visible mark, no, if you have then you can write them here. Applicant passport detail, here we need to enter all Canadian passport detail of our son. Passport number, date of issue, date of expiry, place of issue, you can check from passport, and previous passport number, I leave this one, this is not mandatory. Applicant family detail, father name, father nationality, father profession, you can select from drop down. Mother name, mother nationality, select from drop down, I select here Canada. Mother profession, business, select from drop down. Relation with root, India, father, you can select from this drop down, I select father. Save and continue. OCI registration form part 2. Are you a student? If yes, then you need to fill this information. I click on no. Present address line 2, and here zip code, mobile number. Save and continue. Photo sign upload, instructions for applicant photo and signature upload. Here you can see applicant photo must be in JPEG or JPG format, and dimension and pixel you can see here. Applicant signature, you can see boy left thumb or girl right thumb, and we need JPEG or JPG format. To upload photo and signature, I already upload, and now we need to click on upload. Here you can see photo and signature successfully upload. I want to upload again, click here save and continue. I click on save and continue. Registration form part B. You have to read all this question very carefully and give answer. Do you have relatives stay in India? I click on yes. Name, present address, relation, grandparents, age. If you want add more member, then you can click here. Present nationality acquisition detail, applicant name, present nationality, acquisition method. Select from this drop down, I select here birth and date of birth. Other details, applicant name, previous nationality of applicant, we cannot select here because our baby birth in Canada. Save and continue. Document upload. Document re-upload limit is 5, after which re-upload is not allowed. Proof of present citizenship, select from this drop down and you can pick here which one you upload. Evidence of address, select from this drop down and see which one you want upload and choose file, and document file should be PDF format. Choose from here and upload. Same here, minor child whose both parent are citizen of India or one, select from here like a marriage certificate of parents, and document file should be PDF. Choose from here and upload. Here you can see document successfully upload, copy of present valid passport, I upload and submit. Here you can see application detail. If you want make changes, you can click on modify and otherwise finally submit. Application fees, OCI card. Here you can see total $376. These are same for adult and for minor. This fees is not refundable. And here you can see in-person method, and I already provide that link in my description box. You can read very carefully and make draft or debit card. If you want pay through debit card, you can pay. If you want watch more videos related to form, please subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Thank you everyone.